Hello,
Hello.
how are you, Omkar?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Can you just turn on your video?
Yeah. Okay. Can you see me?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
So it's your first walk into the right here at the Ultimate Coders, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll start with your brief introduction.
Yeah. Basically, myself Omkar, like I'm from Karnataka, and I have completed my BTech from Jain College of Engineering, and I have secured 8 CGPA. That's it. And my hobbies are like going to farms and reading books and coding as well.
Can you just tell me your skill sets?
Yeah, like I have skill set as of front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and backend as basics of Java and tools like Tomcat, Apache, Eclipse IDE. I know little bit of cloud fundamentals such as AWS, and I know the basics of generative AI. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Apart from front end, you know other extra things.
Yeah, yeah. Like recently, I've been learning the backend technologies such as Java and Spring Boot. So,
Since how many years you are doing this?
like since I have joined the Cognizant as 1 year, 5 months.
Okay. So we'll start with basic HTML, CSS, then we can go through JavaScript.
Yeah.
So tell me what is HTML?
HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used in making the websites, which in which we HTML is like an entity where where we can integrate CSS and JavaScript for making the websites dynamic.
Why it is said that it's a markup language?
Why HTML is said as markup language?
Yeah.
I don't think so, because I don't remember this. That's kind of
Okay.
thing.
Okay. No problem. What are semantic tags?
What are
Semantic tags.
like semantic tags are like header, like the tags are which have been introduced in HTML5, sorry, HTML5, like header, navbar, and earlier in HTML we used to use for these tags as including only div with giving classes, but in HTML5 these are new tags like navbar, header and all, and for various image tag, and these are the tags which are semantic tags or
Can you
span.
differ? Okay. Can you differ between HTML and HTML5?
Yeah, in HTML we have we were given only a restricted functionality, but in HTML5 we are given more like advanced functionality. In HTML we
Which
were
can you elaborate more which advanced functionalities they get?
like as earlier I told, like semantic tags were included in HTML5, and in HTML we were only using just divs to define sections and all. But in HTML5 we are giving sections. In sections we can write the small amount of code, and which if you want to change any functionality, we can uh, go to the section and we can change that functionality. But in HTML, we are only given the divs. So we need to iterate, like we need to search for if you have any bugs in that code, no, we need to search for each and every div. So this is difference.
Okay. Do you know CSS?
Yeah, yeah. CSS is just cascading style sheets, which are used to style the websites using different animations, colors, and grid system, flex.
Okay. What about CSS selectors? Can you tell me what is it?
Yeah, we have like pseudo selectors. We have pseudo selectors and ID selectors, class selectors. Yeah, the pseudo selectors are like we can create the pseudo selectors to create an pseudo element. Yeah, that's it.
What can you differ pseudo class and pseudo elements?
Pseudo
Class and pseudo elements.
pseudo elements, pseudo class. Pseudo class is a class which we use as a temporary class,
Tell
and
me
the
its types.
uh,
Tell me the types of pseudo class and pseudo elements.
pseudo class and pseudo elements. I can't remember the pseudo class, but I can tell you the pseudo element, pseudo selectors. The pseudo selectors are like after, before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but in which subsection these are included?
In which,
Sub part of pseudo selectors.
yeah, in CSS only, we can use the pseudo selectors. If like take an case like we are having a button. So in button, we are having a upward arrow for upward arrow. If we press the button, then you should get a downward arrow. So for this, we can use the after and before. For this, you can use the after and before pseudo selectors.
You should go through it after the interview.
Hello?
You should go through it after the interview.
Yeah, please.
What is head index?
Z index is the value, it like X index is the X axis, Y index is the Y axis, and Z index is the um, index which is the middle of the X and Y. It's like 3D. You can get the Z index.
What are the positions in
Uh, like positions are the uh, attributes in which are the properties used in CSS. We need to if we need to position any object related to another object, we use positions.
their types?
Position types.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember the types and all.
Don't you heard about absolute, fixed,
Yeah,
staking?
absolute and relative. These are two types.
Only two types.
Uh, as of now, like we have learned it now, it's like these are only two types,
Are
absolute,
you
relative.
sure?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me how do you relate between absolute and relative?
Yeah. Let us take an example like if we have a one box and
Hmm.
if we have another box, then to move the another box which is in the between the one box, then we should give the first box as relative, and the box which is to be moved which relating to first box, we should give the element as relative, absolute, sorry.
What is float?
What is
Float.
float?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a property which is used to like it is used to take the content in the line. If you are take an example, uh, like div is a block element, and if you if you write any paragraph into the div, it wraps up into the one div and it takes down to the another line. Okay, so div is a property which is used to uh, take the element into the one line. Float, like we have a property as float left.
What is grid system?
Yeah, it is grid system which is used in styling the web page. Like it basically consists of 12 grids.
Okay. And what is box sizing?
Box sizing.
Yeah.
Yeah, box sizing, it's a property used to size the box as of my and
Why we need it?
box sizing. Okay, I don't remember that thing.
Tell me what is box model?
Box model.
Yes.
In box model we have like margin, padding, uh, and inside the box it is the content. So it consists of an margin, padding, and content. So box model used to assign the margin and padding.
Good answer. What is specificity?
We can define specificity as let us take a case. If you are given a color to particular box as blue, and if you are given if you the same if you are given another color to same box as green, then the specificity of blue is less than green, as the specificity of green is more, the style which will be applied to the box is green.
Okay. So just share your screen.
Yeah.
Okay, look, what you have to do, just you have to take a box
Okay.
on UI, and within that box, you should take another box. Let's suppose the first box is of 600 pixel.
Okay.
The second box should be of 300 pixel, but it must be in between, at the center of this your screen viewport.
Okay. Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Back then you told you don't know box sizing. What's the purpose of line number 4?
It is box sizing. Box sizing. And the height and width of the, like, you can take another, like, border box and content box. It depends on the content which is given.
Okay, please go for it. Go continue.
Right, first box size is 600 pixel. 600 by 600, isn't it?
Give any value. Just it should be within a box. The
Yeah.
second box should be within a box. Do you know how to link a CSS page?
Yeah, that's the I have confused here. That's what it is. I have not
Just
focused much
take a
on
link.
it.
Okay, okay. Take
Yeah.
link tag and link tag
Yeah,
relation.
that's what. That's
Link
what
tag. Wait. And link after use space. Take a link tag.
that I was confused.
Take rel is equal to style sheet.
At the center, we should take. No?
Yes, at the center of the viewport. Okay, Omkar, you can try after the interview.
Okay.
So we'll go through JavaScript. Tell me what is JavaScript
JavaScript is a server side, client side scripting language used to make the websites dynamic.
What are the data types in JavaScript?
We have data types such as numbers, Boolean, uh, string, arrays, defined, undefined, not defined.
What's the difference between undefined and not defined?
The difference between not defined and undefined is a declaration, but no value is not assigned, and not defined declaration is only not assigned.
Okay. Do you know what is array?
Yeah, arrays. It is collection of elements on the basis of index numbers.
And what is object?
Object is a collection of elements which having key value pair.
Okay. What is a nested object?
Nested object which consists as a parent child relationship. If you have one object, that object is nested to the another object, which consists one object consists of another object in it.
What is a function?
The function is the piece of code which performs some specific tasks.
Wha- What is a first class function?
First class function.
Yes.
I don't so first class.
Can you show me an example of function expression, function declaration?
Yeah, sure. Or can I show a function having adding two numbers?
Okay, okay, no need to write everything, just tell me the syntax. This is of function expression and function declaration. This
Yeah,
is
this is a function expression. This is syntax. In every function, we should return something, and we should call the function at the end. That's it.
okay. Do it later.
Yeah.
Omkar, just copy this from chat section. Find the maximum number from this array.
Maximum number.
Yes.
Oh, for this just first we need to concat the arrays.
Okay, okay. Do one thing. From each array, you should find a maximum number. Suppose the first array have which 85, the maximum number. The second array have 889, and the third 9987. The output was like this. The array of three numbers, which are the maximum number of from these three arrays.
I am not getting you.
Look, find out an array of
Oh,
85, 889, 987. These are the maximum numbers from these three arrays, right?
okay.
Then find out the array of three numbers.
Find out
Means
the array of three numbers.
the maximum number of every array.
Every array.
Yes.
So we should take each one as one array.
Yes. Means I need array.
Huh?
I just need an array with the number which is maximum from each array. Means here the first number from the first array is 45. The second array is 889.
Wow. Okay.
Then we get three numbers in a single array. We should find each number from each array. Okay, try it after the interview. Please, I'll send something in that section. Please copy this. Do one thing. Can you see the second football?
Yeah.
Make it soccer.
You're getting the answer. Hello.
Show me the code. The first football, the L is missing. Please make the L. Now check it.
Okay. Second football.
The first football should remain the football, but the second
Okay.
should be the.
Okay. Okay. Please tell us.
Okay, you should try it after interview. Can you just tell me what is constructor and factory function?
Yeah. The difference is the factory function returns the given value and the constructor function does not return any value. And in constructor function, we have
Show me
a
an
new keyword.
example.
Okay.
Okay, let it be tried afterwards. How to convert a string into an array?
String into an array. String to array. It is using split method.
And array into a string.
Array to string join method.
Can you differ between slice and splice?
Slice and splice.
Yes.
Yeah, slice method is used for string, where we can extract the string, and splice method is used for array, where we can extract the given array. And in slice method, the first element is the index number, and the second element is the number of elements to be deleted. Or in splice method, the same first parameter is index number, and second number is in the number of elements to be extracted.
You said the splice method is a array method and slice
Array
method
method,
is and the slice
string
is
method,
a string method.
string method. Okay.
Can you slice in string?
I'll slice the string given string.
No, just tell me orally. Don't try to do it.
Orally.
Can
Huh?
can we use slice method in string?
Yeah, we can use slice method in string. It is used for slice for extracting a given string.
And which slice of splice manipulates the original array?
Splice origin splice only.
And so what does slice do?
We can use slice for array also.
No.
Huh?
You can use slice for
For array, both array and string, but splice is only meant for array.
okay. So means what's the basic difference between those two methods?
These two methods are used for extracting strings, where one is used for a string and another is used for array. extracting the given like content. If we have given a string, so in slice method we can pass first argument as index number and second argument as number of elements to be deleted or extracted. And in splice method, we can pass the splice method for an array, and first element is given as index number and second element is given as number of elements to be extracted at that index number.
What is an unshift method?
Unshift method is method which is used to add the new element at the starting of an array.
Okay, what does trim do?
What does
Trim method.
it removes the white spaces for a given content.
Okay. Do you know web storages?
Web,
Storages.
yeah, web storage is, it is a, these are like the, we can differentiate between local storage. Like as of my knowledge, the local storage is storage where it is on present on the browsers, so we can store the tokens when we log in into the browser.
What's the key difference between those two of them?
Key difference between web storage and
Local storage and session storage. Have you heard of session
session storage.
storage?
Yeah. Session storage where if we refresh the page, the value which is stored in the that session will be vanished, and the local storage, if we refresh any page, this value will be still present in the given local storage.
Can you show me example of setting an item in local storage and get it back?
Setting
Means set an
setting
item.
in local storage.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
Where?
Okay. But I know like the type of local storage.
Okay, Omkar, I'm done from my side. Do you have any questions for me? Okay, you can drop now.
Yeah.